Oh, she's still plenty juicy. Alright. Still kind of warm, to be honest with you. Check them out. They're in SP, Santa Paula, California. So check them out. They got good stuff. Not only that, I got some sausages from them. It's gonna be just appetizers with the cook. You know, a man gets hungry. But just got a few sausages. Maybe I'll make them with some eggs or something. I don't know. Hot sausages, something spicy. So with this, I'm gonna just go ahead and remove some of the silver skin. Get up in there and just take some off. This stuff is hard to chew. You don't want that. Alright guys, I just finished trimming it. This is what I got. I don't want you to see the marbling. You guys can see that? I'm gonna leave that fat on there. It's alright, it'll render off. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright? Great marbling. I believe it's a choice as well. Anyways, I'm not gonna take off the membrane. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on there, because if I take it off, when this cooks, sometimes the bones separate from the meat, and I don't want that happening. I want a nice rib, intact, if you will, like your baby backs or your spare ribs, you know. So that's my goal. Just leave this on, forget about it. I'm not even gonna season it. I'm not gonna bother with it. It's all fat. It ain't gonna go into the meat. But with that said, I'm gonna just use some Worcestershire sauce. So this is what I'm gonna use. Just like in my other video, when I made that what was it called? The chuck roast. Being lazy, I don't want to make my own. But I did find this when I was at Sam's Club. It's Weber Cowboy. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the meat. So I want some heat. With some sweetness up in this guy. And we can't forget the edges. I believe there's also sugar in here, which is gonna be nice. Look at how beautiful that looks. You guys check it out. Beautiful, right? So we're gonna let this sit. Put it back in the butcher paper. Come back in a couple of hours. This bad boy is gonna get smoked. This is gonna be two separate videos, guys. So let's start the timer. Unorganized today. Unorganized. Let's start the stopwatch, or the clock, whatever you want to call it. When we focus, start. All right. We'll see how long this goes. Let me get a close up of this. Forgive me for my filming skills. Fire. So we have our short beef ribs right here. And then we have our chuck roast. The beef ribs are sitting about 175. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off and wrap them. It's long enough. 2 more hours maybe. We'll see. How long? So we'll put these back. Still cooking at 250, 275 at times. Let me check the time. Where we wrapped. So it's gonna be 5 hours and 40 minutes for the wrap for the short beef ribs. All right, we'll come back to you a couple of hours. See how long it takes. And currently it's 2 o'clock in the morning. You see it? 8 hours and 20 minutes. I'm gonna let it rest. Let's do its thing. Just check it out real quick. Dang, it's gonna be hot. Just lost the bone. Anyways, I'm gonna let these guys rest. Half hour, maybe an hour. And then we'll come back for the money shot. Well, I overslept. It was supposed to be only an hour rest time. It's like a freaking 2-hour rest time. Oh, she's still plenty juicy. Alright. Still kind of warm, to be honest with you. Just take some of this fat off right here. Mm.